Hi, everybody. My name is Adam Darengowski. I work with the communications team here at Miller Pipeline. We're back for another episode of Faces in the Field, where we highlight one of our crew members making things happen out on the construction sites across America. I'm joined today by Jason Langkop. He's a general foreman with our Municipal Services Division. Jason, thanks for coming on.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for having me.
Well, first of all, I think a lot of people, when they think Miller Pipeline, they think natural gas, right? It's just what we've been doing forever. But can you just explain what MSD, what Municipal Services Division, what the kind of work that your group does and how diverse it is on a given day?
Yeah, we do, it's called CIPP lining, which we go in listing sewer mains and reline the sewer mains. Usually no digging involved. It's a trenchless inverting lines. So it's usually with steam, air, water, inversions.
So basically you're taking older pipe that may not be as good in good shape, and you're giving it a little bit new life, right?
Yes. Yeah. We just go inside the existing pipe and put a new liner in it. And it's good to go.
How many times do you explain what you do to people and they're always like, I had no idea that was a thing?
That's every day. It's every day we explain. As soon as we pull up, they think we're going to dig the road up, and that's not, that's not the case. And the next day, we're moving on to the next street. So
that's fascinating. Well, can you tell us a little bit about your history and what got you into CIPP lining and into the sewer industry?
I started doing it back in 2007 for a different company. Then I came on to Miller in 2009, and just been working here ever since. It's a different field, and believe it or not, you learn something every day, something new every day. It seems like so.
What do you find most rewarding about that job? Because you mentioned it's obviously better for the environment. You don't have to dig up a bunch of road. You can rehabilitate some of those pipes. What do you find most rewarding about your career?
Most of it's something different every day. It's something not routine. It's something you to go out and you see different people, and you do different things every day. Even though it's the same process, it seems to be different every day.
What is maybe a piece of advice that you have for someone looking to get into your industry, or someone who has just entered your industry, that you think is really helpful?
It's good to get new people, especially the younger generation, to get them on. It's a lot to learn, but it's worth it. It's if you work hard and you like to show up every day, then it's going to be a good job for you. We need people that's ready to learn. We need people that might be sitting at idle, at their other jobs, and can come in and really enjoy their work. And sometimes it ain't very enjoyable, but there's a lot of reward for it. So we need that younger generation. They are the future. So.
Obviously, our core values are really close to our hearts. We use them every day. What are some ways that you find yourself maybe thinking about them or utilizing them on a given day while you're on the job?
Our core values, main thing I move forward is good hard work and safety. You're always going to move forward if you have those. So,
We also have a concept that kind of deals in the same vein as safety. It's called What I Live For. It reminds us why we come to work and why we want to go home in one piece. So, Jason, what are your What I Live For reasons? What keeps you going?
Just keeps. It's hard to say. I've done it for so long, but it's coming home every day and to do things I really enjoy at home. So anytime you, like I said, go to work hard, and focus on coming home safe. So
right. We usually end Faces in the Field with a quick fire this or that questions. So I'll throw a few questions at you, and you let me know what you prefer. Does that sound okay?
Okay.
All right. So call or text, which do you prefer?
Call.
Call. Hunting or fishing?
Fishing.
Okay, a fishing guy. Day off or new tools?
Can we do both?
Yeah, this is your world. We can do whatever you want.
Yeah.
Both is good. All right. So this is going to be an interesting one. This is more new age, right? So TikTok, Instagram, or neither?
Neither.
Neither. Okay. Not a social media guy. And then
No.
finally, what's your favorite core value?
Safety.
Safety. Love to hear that. Well, he is Jason Langkop. He's a general foreman with our municipal services division here in the state of Indiana. Jason, thanks for coming on Faces in the Field.
Thank you.
Perfect. All right. Well, thank you for watching. This has been, of course, Faces in the Field. Be sure to follow Miller Pipeline on all of our social media accounts and stay up to date with what's going on in the world of the natural gas and water infrastructure industry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next month.